Good morning, I Hardik Gupta welcome you all to my new video. Today I am here to tell you about Visual Studios and how to download and to code in it. So let's get straight into it. So to download Visual Studios, you have to come to the website of Visual Studio Code. You can get the link of this website through my description. So you have to click on download for Windows, and if you are not a Windows user, you can click on this arrow and you can get many options like Mac OS and Linux as well. So you can download from here. I am a Windows user, so I will download from here. We have to click on download for Windows. It will start downloading here. It will take some time and then it will be done. After it is downloaded fully, you have to double click on it. You have to click I accept the agreement, or if you don't get this, you have to do simply next and next. You don't have to change anything. And then when you get an install button, click on install. Now it is fully done. You have to click on finish. Visual Studio website will open. Now we will see how to code in Visual Studios. So let's get straight into it. To code in Visual Studios, first you have to make a folder. Then you have to open Visual Studios. After you have opened Visual Studios, you have to click on File option on the top left corner, open folder, and you have to select that particular folder where you have saved it. Then it would be open. After that, to create a file, you have to click on this new file option. You can give any name, and if you are making a HTML file, you have to write .html after it, and if a CSS file, you have to write .css. I have made these files. Then first you have to write basic functions like HTML, title, and many others. For running your website, you have to click on Go Live button, and if you don't find any Go Live button, close Visual Studios and open it again. After opening, you can see Go Live button here. After pressing Go Live button, you can see the website. Thank you for watching.